Wednesday, April 26th, 5:04 p.m. New York time. The blockchain cryptocurrency industry. Yep, a lot of companies created companies. Some of them changed their names, and some added the products or services into the company to include blockchain cryptocurrency. So we're going to look at many of those companies, see if they're still listed on the stock exchange, see if they're trending up in their new highs. Many of them were penny stocks when I showed them last time. And many of them were pump and dump. Let's get started. So the first one, Bravo Delta Romeo. It's gone, no longer listed. Next one, Bravo India Tango Charlie Foxtrot, first Bitcoin cap. Yep. So look at that. Look how low that is in value. So looking here, it's still listed on the stock exchange. Yeah, it's a penny stock. Less than $5, less than $1. Garbage. So the pump and dump, look at that, all the way since 2006, up to $3.15, down to less than a penny. Loser. Next. Bravo Lima Kilo Charlie Foxtrot. Let's put this up to the monthly. Make sure it's still. Yep. So had a high all the way back there. Wow. Almost a high of $1.50. And now it's garbage. Loser. Bravo Tango. And those are stock symbols I'm calling out, which are up here on the left. Had a high of $33. And well, now it's less than $5. It's garbage. Bravo Tango Charlie Sierra. Put back in max. Had a high of $135. That first year got listed. Now it's all the way down here, less than $5. Garbage. Loser. Charlie Romeo Charlie Whiskey. High of $642 that first year. Well, yeah, less than 8 cents. It's garbage. So here's a very popular one. It's a financial exchange, Coinbase, stock symbol Charlie Oscar India November. They did an IPO recently, just about 3 years ago. IPO, look at that. First month, the IPO, the high was $429.54. Yep. And now it's here. Still traded. Last $53.89. Massive pump and dump. Overrated. Garbage. Yep. Way below the IPO. Look at that. Nile. That was a popular one. Gone. No longer listed. Next one. Delta Sierra. Had a high of, wow. Okay. 1,788.80. That's, wow. And down here, less than $1. Garbage. So many pump and dump cryptocurrency, blockchain garbage. Not the usage, but the companies that manipulate it. Let's go look at some more. Foxtrot Tango, Future FinTech. What I'm doing is changing it from the time frame to the higher time frame. So IPO all the way back there. Just a few years ago, ran up to $56.45 to the low, almost a new low. Well, it did make a new low this year. So made a new low since the IPO. It's garbage. It's garbage. Loser. Golf, Bravo, Tango, Charlie. Here was the IPO. They pumped it up higher. $58.22. And now it's garbage. Yep. $15.10. Here is another very popular one. Grow, Golf, Romeo, Oscar, whiskey. Had a high of $36.35. It's below $5 now. Penny stock garbage. So again, this industry was a hope and a dream for many. Again, massive media coverage across the board, from TVs, internet, radio stations, billboards, just promoting it. And then they took as much money fast as possible from the most amount of people. And those people walked away. So they did well, but most people not did well. Look at that. So here was one, Mike Alpha Romeo Alpha, Marathon Digital Holdings, high is $155.68. And look at that now. Yep, it's not a penny stock, but it's close. So these blockchain crypto stocks, I never invested in them. I trade them, two different things. Trading them, either day trading them or swing trading them for a few days or a few pennies. Not looking to invest. Nope. Thank goodness. Like Goth, Tango, India. High. Wow. I don't know if that's true, but that's what the print is. Look at that dollar amount. Yeah. And now, less than $5. Garbage. Still listed. Amazing. Amazing. There was another very popular one. Mike, Sierra, Tango, Romeo. High of $3,330. Just amazing. People thought it was continue going to higher. So as it kept on going up there, people buying it, the price going up. And look at that. Last one holding the hot potato. Or not. Yep, look at that now. $299.46. Very concerning. Very popular one, Riot. I traded this one a few times. Romeo, India, Oscar, Tango. When I say I traded a long time ago. It had a high of $3,637.40. And down here, last $10.91. Next one, Sierra Tango. That on the max. High of $239.26. Look at that, new low, lifetime low. So IPO there, it's even below the IPO now. Wow, it's garbage. Nice if some professional media outlet did a big research with their good investigating reporters to, include, let's say, 100 of these companies, startup members of them, the CEO members of them, and the companies that fund them, where they entered with, how much money, and where they got out with, and how much money. Yep. So we're looking at this one. Sierra, Oscar, Sierra, high of $120.60, and now less than $5, loser. And we got a few more to look at. So takeaway is, it's like many industries. There we go, the last one. A lot of pump and dump. So many of these are no longer listed. But again, just because they're no longer listed doesn't mean everybody lost money. Nope. People that got in early and got out fast, well, good job out of them. Sierra, Romeo, Alpha, X-Ray. That was a high, $8.95. New low. Wow. Less than $5. Garbage. X-Ray, November, Echo, Tango. High of $27 and just shy of the lows now. Garbage, below $5. Here's another popular one. This was ProShares. It was Trust Bitcoin. Basically, it was a company that created it for the purpose to mirror the reflecting price of Bitcoin, because some people didn't want to trade Bitcoin. They wanted to trade like a stock ETF. So this was similar to it. Forgot who started the company, but ProShares is a big company, big financial institution that creates a lot of stock ETFs. So again, the symbol is Bravo India Tango Oscar. That was the IPO. And then the high it made was $44.29. Guess the second month after IPO. And here we are now. Yeah, garbage. Charlie Romeo Kilo Romeo. Here was a high, $25.06. And here we are at new lows. Garbage. So if you heard of a company called Long Island Iced Tea, makes beverages, caffeine beverages. I think it's called Long Island Iced Tea. Or Arizona, was it Long Island Iced Tea or Arizona Tea? You can research. And what was that? That was one of the companies that wanted to include the word blockchain in their name, even though they were doing nothing blockchain. That temporarily got their stock pumped and dumped. Not the only ones that are doing it. Kodak Film also temporarily changed their name, or maybe permanently changed their name to something to include crypto or Bitcoin, pumped up their stock, and then they got called out by the regulatory body for not necessarily doing that. So Bravo India Tango India, another pro shares. This is a stock ETF that was trading inverse. It was a short. Yeah. Wow. Garbage. Sure. So Bitcoin goes higher. This goes lower. It trades inverse. So now if you think Bitcoin is going to go lower, then buy this. Buy it lower here. It's that new time low. Here's another loser gone. Another gone. Another one gone. Another one gone.